Hey, what's up, guys? So, how do I change my Instagram username? This is super easy, as you can see on my cell phone, my Instagram page. So, on the bottom right hand corner, I put a circle on it, hit that, and it'll bring you up to this page. And you can see my username is Luisito TV. And then click on that and erase it, and then put your unique username. Okay? I'm gonna put TikTok King 2023. I think this is unique. No one else has this kind of name. But in most cases, you'll be able to change your username back to Lucito TV for another 14 days. Take note of that. You can change it back after 14 days. As you can see right here, this username isn't available. Please try another one. Okay, so I'm gonna come up with a unique one. I think that one's not unique, so let me erase it back. And then we're gonna put one, I think I'm gonna put a San Diego Chargers. Because I'm a Charger fan. 2023. And hopefully this one will be available. Alright, so like what I said, 14 days. You can go back and it is available. As you can see, my username is San Diego Chargers 2023. And then on homepage on the top is right there. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Drop some comments if you like this tutorial. Hit like, share, whatever. Thank you, guys. See you later. Peace.